Your question is, in the federation established by the Government of India Act of 1935, residuary powers were given to the. Your options are A. Federal Legislature, B. Governor General, C. Provincial Legislature, or D. Provincial Governors. Right answer is B. Governor General. Your question is, which one of the following is not an important and permanent constituent in the constitutional history of India as adopted in the Government of India Act 1935? Your options are A written constitution for the country, B. Elected representatives responsible to the legislature, C. Envisaging a scheme of federation, or D. Nomination of official members to the legislature. Right answer is A written constitution for the country. The question is, one amongst the following was not a silent feature of the Government of India Act 1935. Your options are A. The Act provided for an all India federation, B. Residuary subjects were allocated to provincial legislatures, C. It marked the beginning of the provincial autonomy, or D. It abolished hierarchy at the provincial level and introduced it at the centre. Right answer is B. Residuary subjects were allocated to provincial legislatures. Your question is, why is the Government of India Act 1935 important? Your options are A. It is the main source of the Constitution of India, B. It gave independence to India, C. It envisages partition of India, or D. It abolished the native states. Right answer is A. It is the main source of the Constitution of India. The question is, which one of the following acts lead to the separation of Burma from India? Your options are A. The Indian Councils Act 1909, B. Government of India Act 1919, C. Government of India Act 1935, or D. Indian Independence Act 1947. Answer is C. Government of India Act 1935. Question is, the proposal for framing of the Constitution of India by an elected Constituent Assembly was made by. Your options are A. Simon Commission, B. Government of India Act 1935, C. Cripps Mission, or D. British Cabinet Delegation. Answer is C. Cripps Mission. Your question is, as per Cabinet Mission Plan, in the Constituent Assembly to decide allotted members' seat in each province, one representative was in ratio to which population? Your options are A. 8 lakhs, B. 10 lakhs, C. 12 lakhs, or D. 15 lakhs. Answer is B. 10 lakhs. Question is, who among the following persons was not a member of the Cabinet Mission? Your options are A. William Wood, B. Patrick Lawrence, C. Stafford Cripps, or D. A.B. Alexander. The answer is A. William Wood. Your question is, Indian Constituent Assembly was established under. Your options are A. Government of India Act 1935, B. Cripps Mission 1942, C. Cabinet Mission 1946, or D. Indian Independence Act 1947. Answer is C. Cabinet Mission 1946. Your question is, in the interim government formed in 1946, the Vice President of the Executive Council was. Your options are A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, C. C. Rajagopalachari, or D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Right answer is A. Jawaharlal Nehru.